In this video, you will learn how to remove stop words from sentences. Stop words are words that appear very often and do not help to understand the context of the document. Example of stop words are the, a, and, in, etc. I'll show you some stop words. And if you look here in this picture, you will see we have a lot of stop words here, and the examples are I, me, my, myself, we, you, he, him, she, her. All these are stop words and they do not help to understand the context of the document, and that is why we always remove stop words whenever we are working on an NLP text or the NLP project. Let us import Spacy, and then we will import the stop words which are available in the English language model. I will write from Spacy dot language dot en dot stopwords import stopwords. Let us execute. And to look at what stopwords are available in this English language model, we will print this class stopwords. I will write print and then stopwords, and here in the output you will see these are the list of stop words that are available in this English language model, and the list includes another, when, call, indeed, yourselves, were, therein, done, make, one, is, become, full, seem, everyone, first, once, rather, etc. These are the list of stop words that are available in this English language model, and because this list is a very long, you might not be able to read all this words, and there is one more way in which you can find whether the stop words that you are looking for is present in this list or not, and for that we can just use the if condition. For example, if I want to check that the stop word in is present in this stop word list or not, I will write in quotes in stop words, and it says true. It says that the word in is present in this stop words. And let me try something else. Let me write what should I write? I will write apple in stop words. It says false. It means that apple is not a stop words and it is not available in this list of stop words. And you can see that apple is a fruit, it is not a stop word, so it cannot be present in that. So if you have any word or if you have any doubt whether this word is present in the list or not, you can just use this statement. Or there is one more way, and the other way is, for that you have to load the English language model first, and let me load the model. I will make an object NLP, and then I will call this class Spacy. From this I will call the method load, and inside this I will load the English language model, and the model name is en underscore core underscore web underscore sm. Now the next method to check whether the word is present in the stop word or not is to call this object NLP and then call the method vocab, and then you create one list here, and in this, let's say we will write apple dot, and the next method is stop, is underscore stop, and it says false because this is not present in the list of stop words. So there are two methods to check whether the word is present in that list or not. The first one is you just write the word and write in and then stop words, and the second one is here you can pass list. So instead of apple, if I write in here, it will give us true because in is present in that list. Now let us try to see one example how we can remove stop word from a sentence. I'll make one variable doc, and then I will call this NLP object, and inside this I will write one sentence, and let's say I will write something like this: Python is a programming language I am learning natural language processing, and let's execute our code and let me print this document object. So in this document object we have one text here, and the text is Python is a programming language. I am learning natural language processing, and the spelling of natural is wrong, I'm sorry for that. And now we have this correct spelling here. Now I'm going to find the stop word from this sentence, and to find a stop words let me run a for loop. We can run a for loop on this sentence, which is a state saved in this object doc. I will write for token in doc print token dot text. So for first we are just tokenizing it, and here you can see we have split this sentence into words here. So we have tokenized it, and these are the words after the tokenization, and now we will just print stop words from our sentences. So this output contains all the words. Now we will run a for loop that will only show us the stop word that is present in this sentence, and let me run a for loop for that. For token in doc if NLP dot vocab, and I'll make one list here, and inside it I'll write token dot text is dot is underscore stop, then print token dot text. What I'm doing here is I'm running a for loop on this token, and then I'm writing one condition here, and the condition is if the words in this document contain stop words, that is if nlp.vocab token.text is stop words, then print only stop words, otherwise don't print. Now let us execute our code, and here in the output you can see the stop word in this sentence are is a, I and M. So these are the list of the stop words present in this sentence here. So first we saw all the words here, we have tokenized it, and these are all the words. Then second we are seeing only the stop words, and the third one is we will see what are not stop words. So I will write one more for loop for token in doc if not NLP dot vocab token dot text dot is underscore stop, then print token dot text. Here I am running a for loop on this document, and I'm writing one condition here, and the condition is if the documents or if the words in this document are not stop words, then print only those words. So here we got stop words, here we got all the words, and here we will get only words that are not stop words. Let us execute our code, and here in the output you can see these are not the stop words. Python programming language full stop learning natural language processing, these are not stop words in this sentence doc, and is a, I and M are the stop words, and these are all the text. This is how you can find stop words in sentences using Spacy in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.